The Karnataka High Court has strongly questioned BJP Legislative Council member NRavikumar over remarks made against Fouzia Taranum, the former Deputy Commissioner of Kalaburagi, during a political protest in May. During the protest, Ravikumar questioned whether Taranum had come from Pakistan and accused her of acting on the directions of the Congress government. A complaint was registered against him at the Station Bazaar police station in Kalaburagi on May 25, 2025. Ravikumar subsequently approached the Karnataka High Court seeking to quash the criminal case. The matter was heard by a bench headed by Justice M. Nagaprasanna. The court questioned whether elected representatives could make any statement simply because they hold public office. It said political leaders should concentrate on government schemes, public welfare, and keep public issues rather than personal attacks and political accusation. Ravikumar's counsel informed the court that the BJP leader had already apologized for his remarks. The bench questioned whether an apology by itself was sufficient to quash the criminal case and questioned how an IAS officer could be targeted on the basis of religion. The court stressed that every individual has self-respect and said public figures must exercise restraint while making public statements. It also expressed concern that cases arising from political statements could contribute to judicial delays, while genuine criminal matters may take several years to conclude, with some cases taking around 10 years. Dispute over the national flag. Ravikumar's counsel told the court that Kalaburagi authorities had prevented protesters from carrying the national flag for around 9 hours during the demonstration. The bench questioned the restriction and asked what was wrong with protesters carrying the national flag. It indicated that if the authorities had wrongly prevented protesters from carrying it, the court could consider imposing a penalty on them. At the same time, the court made it clear that any improper action by the authorities could not be used to defend or justify Ravikumar's remarks. The bench directed that documents related to permission for the Kalaburagi protest be produced before it. The dispute arose during a protest linked to allegations that authorities had obstructed a Tiranga Yatra. Ravikumar accused then Kalaburagi DC Fouzia Taranum of acting at the direction of the Congress government and questioned whether she had come from Pakistan. The complaint was filed on May 25, 2025, after which Ravikumar moved the High Court seeking to quash the case. The court declined to quash the proceedings at this stage and questioned the nature of the remarks and the conduct expected from political leaders. The matter has been adjourned to August 20th, with the court seeking documents concerning permission for the protest. The proceedings have also highlighted broader concerns about political speech, religious references, restraint by elected representatives, and the need for political leaders to focus on public welfare and major public issues rather than personal attacks. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.